but doesn't mean I need to miss out on donuts. No, I've come up with a few awesome It's that time of year. It seems to have got everywhere in the world at the moment. There's that pumpkin spice that seems to be infecting recipes. While our butter chicken is simmering away in the slow cooker, I thought I'd just take this opportunity to get you to Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, links in the video description underneath this video on YouTube. And speaking of YouTube, don't forget to go and I never get this right. Today I present to you an easy one pot main week dinner. So today I thought I would introduce you to a wonderful no-bake version of a classic recipe mixed with an even more classic recipe, and I don't know what I'm saying. Using just a few basic ingredients from the fridge, you can jazz up a chicken fillet and we're going to jazz it up and we're going to give the classic chicken dinner a bit of a next level Using a few basic ingredients, many of which you may already have in the fridge right now, we're going to give it a bit of a tidy up, give it a... I'm never going to get through this. We're going to take this to the next level and give you a great chicken dinner. Let's make this beautiful chicken and bacon Hasselback chicken on the One Pot Chef. Oh, I said chicken and bacon. Cheese and bacon. Damn it! Let's make this beautiful cheese and bacon Hasselback chicken on the One Pot Chef. Cut, thank. It's that time of year, time for something spooky and creepy and... I don't know what I'm saying. Shush, Baba. Baby, shush, shush. Shush. Shush, Baba. Oh, you're a good girl. Thank you. What is 190 degrees Celsius? Shush. What is 190 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit? You're a good girl, Baba. Have a Vicky. Go on. For about 20 minutes, or until they are fully cooked and slightly golden. I want it to be quick, I want it to be easy, but I want it to be something that everyone's going to love, and I want it to be incredibly tasty. So I've managed to come up with it. Oh, let's make my beautiful spinach and feta mini frittatas. Let's make this beautiful... Shit! I can't believe it! No! Okay, this video is a disaster. Okay.